Hello guys, I will show you with this video how to show a detail that you have drawn on the model space to appear just only in one viewport. And this will happen automatically as soon as you set the right scale for that detail. Now the first step for this will be to draw the detail. In this case I did already in this column. Once we've got the detail drawn, then all we have to do is to convert these into a block. So to do this, I'm going to go to my block, create, and I will name these detail. The base point, let's say, is going to be the center of the column, and the object is going to be all these lines, including the hatches, but not the frame for the column, because that's the one I only show in a smaller scale. So for a bigger scale, I'm only going to show this part of the column, which is the detail. Now, as soon as I've got all these, I also need to, before clicking OK, to click this option on behavior called annotative. So we're gonna take advantage of the annotative behavior. So when we set the scale for the viewport to be 1 to 20, which in this case is the scale I'm using to create these block in, the block will automatically display. Now, one important step that you need to remember here is that when you create in the block, you need to make sure that you creating the block using this scale. So to draw it is not a problem, but as soon as you click create, or before you click create, you need to make sure you've got the scale set to whatever scale you want to show that detail on. So make sure you've got scale 1 to 20. In this case is the scale I'm going to use. Then I click create, and then you type the name, the base point, and you select the objects and click annotative before clicking OK. So as soon as we've got all these details set, that's it pretty much, we can click OK. And now, just to show you how this works, I will go into layout space and I will create then two viewports. Let me just select my layer viewports for this. So I will go and create one viewport, let's say from there to there, where I will then show without a grid only my floor plan at scale 1 to 100. Now let me just pan these a little bit up there. Then after that, I will then generate another viewport, let's say down here. And for this viewport, I'm gonna access to it, and I'm only gonna show this part over here. So as you can see here, if I change the scale to 1 to 20 on this one, in this case it's showing already because that was the scale I was using before. But you can see here that at 1 to 20 it only shows here. At 1 to 100 it automatically disappears, and that's because of the annotated behavior built into the block. So that means, because we take that option called annotative, that the block will only display if we're printing a viewport with the same scale 1 to 20. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So if I change, or if I decide to change the scale of these 1 to 50, you can see that the block will automatically disappear. So that block was created for 1 to 20, so it will only print at scale 1 to 20. So if you found this video useful, please like and share.